Pen Pal Touchup Makeup Pen. The 4-in-1 Touchup pen that's revolutionizing in the beauty industry. This Touchup pen is light and compact. You can literally do your eyeliner, eyebrows, highlighter, lips, and so much more with one product. It delivers fast and easy color payoff. Smooth, creamy formulas glide onto skin and take seconds to apply. The lip liner is so smooth and the perfect berry shade. It gives you an amazing look. Available in 3 flexible color combinations. Forget bulky beauty products when you travel. Lighten your bag with this Pen Pal. Jojoba oil protects and nourishes with skin-mimicking fatty acids and vitamin E. Sunflower seed oil locks in hydration to help replenish the moisture barrier. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, clean, vegan, and travel-friendly. Thanks for watching.